Hello everyone, this is me Rohan. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine, and in this video we are going to make one of the craziest project we have ever made. That is a smart infotainment enhancer system. Yeah, you heard it right. So let's get straight into this video. So before moving ahead, like seeing the components required and all, so I want to share one story. So recently my dad changed the infotainment system of our car. So previously we used to have this infotainment system, and then we have switched to Android based infotainment system. And when I was using it, I found that it lacks the voice control feature. Okay, so I wanted to know. I was very curious that how I can add this voice control feature. Like if I wanted to open certain things, like wanted to open browser, maps, and notifications, and of course the background running apps. If I wanted to know what are the apps are running in the background, so these are some basic tasks I wanted to use. So I found out that it lacks this kind of okay Google feature, to be honest, that assistant feature. So after that I figured it out that we can add it using the DFRobot sensor, that offline voice recognition sensor. And apart from that we can use the Arduino Leonardo board, as it has HID features, right? So now you might be thinking that what are the things that it can perform, right? Like it can do with this board, Arduino Leonardo, and of course the DFRobot offline voice recognition module. So from this we can open the notification bar, from which we can see all the notifications. We can open maps, we can open browsers, and of course we can go back to the home. That is the basic thing. And apart from that, we can also see the background running apps as well. Yeah. So now some of you might be thinking that why is only less features? We can have key mapper app as well, from which we can map keys to open more things, right? I know, but the reason I haven't did that, the reason is only one thing, that this infotainment system lacks the accessibility permissions, or we can say it feature that every key mapper app requires. So that's why we are unable to add this. But yeah, in future we will do that. Okay, we will try to figure it out how to do this. So but for now we have added this basic features, and you already know the components as well, right? So now let's see the connection part, and we will then move to of course the programming section, and then we will see the system in running part. So let's get straight into the video. Okay, so it's time to see the coding section of this project. So first of all, we have included the necessary libraries. As you can see, this library is for DFRobot's voice recognition module, and this is keyboard library for HID functionality. After that, in the voice setup, we have set up the serial monitor, and of course we have started that keyboard functionality as well. And over here you can see some set volume 6, set mute mode 0, and set wake up time, right? So in this module you have a built-in speaker, so in which you can set volume from 0 to level up to 7. Okay, and there is a mute mode. If you want to mute this speaker, you can do that. And wake time is like when we power it on, it just turn it on. And for giving it commands, first of all we have to say it set hello robot, okay, by which it gets activated. Otherwise it will remain in standby mode only. And from here you can set the, like, for how much time it gonna be remain on, and after how many seconds it gonna get back to its standby mode. Okay, so this is how it works. And in the void loop part, you can see that it starts getting the CMDIDs. So what is the CMDID? So these are the command IDs. Okay, so there are already pre-fitted 100 plus command IDs in this module, but you can create your own. Okay, so if you are not getting this command IDs and set like wake up, what is this? So basically when we plug this module, okay, so it will remain it like in a standby mode only. For waking it up, we have to say hello robot, and even we can create our own. How to do that? You can prefer the previous video, And apart from that, I have already given the documentation about this module in the description, from where you can check out about this. Everything you will get regarding that, from making custom IDs as well, command IDs, custom command IDs, sorry. So as you can see, so you can see case 5, case 6, case 7, case 8, case 9. Okay, so basically these are the custom IDs, right? Like if I say if I say open maps, okay, so it will send a command ID as 5, okay, to the Arduino Leonardo board, and it will perform Windows plus M, which will open the maps. In the same way, if I say go to home, it will press the escape key. Okay, like over here you can see we have already written the performing escape, and it will do that. You can see on your serial monitor as well, and this is how this whole things works. And in the default, it will print some unknown command ID. If you say any other commands apart from this, so it will be unknown. Okay, so this is the overview of the code. Now let's see this project in action. So right now I am in my father's car, so let me just turn it on. Yeah, now it's on, as you can see over here. Yeah, it's on, as you can see. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply connect. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Okay, so these are some sound for the initialization of the speakers and all. So it has been done, I guess. Okay, so what we have to do is just simply take this and connect it to this USB OTG over here, which is given with this. So let me just connect it. Yeah. Okay, so it is now ready to work. So let me just activate it. So let me just say it. Hello, I10. So it has been activated. So now I'm gonna give the command open maps. So as you can see, the Google map has been opened. Yeah. So now I'm gonna give another command, go to home. So as you can see, now we are at the main screen. Okay, wait a minute, by mistake I've clicked. Yeah, so now I'm gonna say another command, open notifications. So now it is showing me all the notification that I have, as you can see. So let me just clear it on. Yeah, so yeah, even if I want to know that what are the apps running in my background, even I can check that as well. Okay, so let me just wake it up. Hello, I10. Open recents. So as you can see, so it is showing the apps that are opened in the background. So let me just clear it all, and even this one as well. Yeah, and you can see it is working. So I hope you guys love this video. If you love this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for 600 subscribers, and love you all. And we will meet you soon with another video very soon. Till then, goodbye.